Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2009 Suzuki Boulevard M50. This 800cc motorcycle, we're going to take a walk around and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This 2009 is absolutely beautiful. Two-tone and in excellent shape. As you can see, the seats, no rips, no tears. The paint on this is absolutely immaculate. A lot of blacked out things on the engine. And practically new front tire on it, as you can see there. The only mark found on this bike is right here. You can kind of see it, just a little scraping. Other than that, this bike is really clean. And shot of the back tire, like new too. This bike is shaft drive, as you can see. $1,568 miles on this bike. Practically new. This bike has gone through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. Along with the lifetime ownership of this bike, you get discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.